A successful Zendesk migration starts with proper preparation. In this video, we'll show you how to run a Zendesk Demo Migration using Migration Wizard step by step. Before you begin, make sure your Zendesk environment is ready. This foundation helps avoid errors during migration. In Zendesk, complete the following setup. Create custom fields with matching field types. Set up saved replies, macros. Add agent profiles. Activate Zendesk Guide. Turn off triggers and automations. Disable required field conditions. Once these steps are complete, you're ready to run a demo migration. Start by logging in or signing up for your Migration Wizard account. From the dashboard, click Start a new migration. First, select your source platform and provide the required credentials or sign in directly. Then connect Zendesk as your target platform by entering your Zendesk URL and signing in to authorize access. Next, decide what data you want to bring into Zendesk. Depending on your source platform, Migration Wizard supports help desk objects, agents, organizations, customers, tickets, business rules objects, macros. In this case, canned responses and scenario automations migrate as macros. Help center records, categories, folders, articles. Before continuing, take a moment to review the important migration notes. This checklist helps you avoid common migration issues and apply to both demo and full migrations. If you're migrating agents, you'll be prompted to match them. Use the Match Items option to map agents between platforms. You can add missing agents or assign records to a default Zendesk agent if needed. Next, map organization and customer custom fields. Organization fields should be mapped first, and corresponding fields must already exist in Zendesk. System fields are mapped automatically and can't be changed. The same rules apply when mapping customer fields, so make sure all required custom fields are set up in advance. Once that's done, move on to ticket field mapping. Here, you map both default and custom ticket fields to Zendesk. Required fields must be filled to ensure tickets migrate without errors. If a field doesn't exist yet, you can create it directly from Migration Wizard and add it to Zendesk on the spot. Once everything is mapped correctly, save your settings and move on. After ticket mapping, continue with macros. For macros, map fields such as title, description, active status, attachments, and ticket actions. Available ticket actions depend on what's configured in Zendesk. In this case, canned responses migrate as macros too, allowing you to map titles and active status and automatically or manually match descriptions, attachments, and actions. Then move to knowledge-based content. For articles, map status, language, and permissions so your content appears correctly in Zendesk Guide after migration. When you've done that, you can choose the needed automated option. When migrating to Zendesk, you can choose automated options for tickets, customers, contacts, and articles. For tickets, you can add a new tag to tickets, migrate inline images as attachments, skip attachments, select records for demo, up to 20 ticket IDs. Migrate the newest records first. Options like transfer call recordings as audio attachments and migrate side conversations as private notes are also available, but with other source platforms. For customers and organizations, you can migrate only records related to other entities. This way, you transfer only the contacts and companies to Zendesk that your team actually uses. For articles, you can migrate content translations, update crosslinks, and select up to 20 article IDs for the demo. You can also extend the data retention period to give yourself more time to review migrated data. Everything is set. Click Continue to start the demo migration. Migration Wizard will transfer a small sample of tickets and articles into Zendesk, giving you a clear preview of how your full migration will look. After completing the demo migration, you'll see a table displaying the results. It includes reports on all available records, migrated records, failed records, and skipped records. To ensure a successful migration, check the reports on migrated, failed, and skipped records. First, open the reports for migrated tickets and compare the source and target IDs to verify their accuracy. Then review the article reports and check that content, structure, and permissions match your expectations. If everything looks right, you're ready for the final step. Choose the support package that fits your needs, complete payment, and return to your migration. Click Start Full Data Migration to move all your data to Zendesk. confident that you've already validated the results.